Hey, this is before New Year. Once again, I'm back. We have harps playing upstairs tonight. I'm working in upstairs tonight. And here we go, it's playing upstairs with us. We have like about like hundreds reservation tonight. It's a sit dinner menu. It's playing right now with the harp. So please, again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and I'm gonna show you him. Thank you, sir. You're the best. Thanks. Voila. Hey, don't forget to watch this one. This is gonna be next week, I think. So this is for dinner tonight. These are our menus over here. This is bar downstairs. Tonight we have a fireworks gonna be on. See how busy we are at the beach right now. Start setting up. That's it for now. They can be ready for dinner. It's almost. What you're doing, man? Espresso.
Espressolino.
Smells good, huh? See, really nice espresso from Ronald. Oh. It is my bowl.
Sorry, I got
For
your
New
coffee
Year.
here. Ready?
All right, sir. Enjoy.
Super duper, gracias.
Alright.
Oh, mamma mia, this is the best.
It is good.
Made by the hand of my friend from the Philippines.
From the Philippines, yeah. That's Ronnie.
Thank you, gracias.
It is the New Year version now. It's like almost ready. Like another 30 minutes, all the guests will come by right now. So this can be good tonight. It's gonna be busy, and everybody's here. We have it here. Let's go to the kitchen. See what's going on for everybody. Hey, enjoy, man. See, Amos boss. Over here, that's Sharon.
Yes, I'm going home soon.
Hey, Sharon, you can go home. You know that, right? How busy is the kitchen right now? That's how busy. This is the Amos bush. Salmon. It's ready. Hey, chef. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Everybody's busy now. Hey. That's how busy right now.
Hey guys, I want to talk to you a lot, but you know today is the New Year, so everybody busy. I have to watch them. They have to do doing that thing, and so I have also plenty work to do. So next time, talk a lot.
All right.
Thank you.
Next
Happy New
time.
Year.
All right, man. Chef, you ready? Hey, chef, you ready?
I guess so. We try.
What you looking for?
Looking for everything.
Huh?
Looking for everything.
Margarita.
Okay.
Tuna cookie. The chef Mookie is the dessert down here.
So this one, the duo mousse, two kind of chocolate I use for that. Like one the 72% calibre, and another one is white chocolate calibre. So the two layer looks very nice. So when we present in a plate, so wow,
That's good.
Thank you.
You're the master of pastry. The master of
Still Happy New Year. What is it?
All right, man. Big carpaccio, like tuna carpaccio, but this big. Yeah, it's big. Alright. Oh, Happy New Year too. Bye.
Goodbye. Happy New Year, bye. Yeah, make sure don't forget.
See, this is what going on down here. I got the YouTube channel. Kim?
Happy New Year to all guests.
That's better. We have a new team.
It's a new year, become a very
In your language, man. In your language.
எல்லாருக்கும் இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை வரவேற்க உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இந்த இனிய புத்தாண்டு உங்களுக்கு நன்றி விதமாக அமைய எனது மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்து.
Thanks, man. All right, that's good. That's his language. It's from India.
Yeah, I'm Indian.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm Tamil.
So that's Tamil, right? Yeah. So you see everything down there.
Bloody Mary Cayman.
I'm 56, so we got about 4.
Happy New Year! Bomba Club!
It's a 2023. Absolutely beautiful fireworks. Let's watch the fireworks. Woo! 2023.
Bomba Club!
Happy New Year, my friend. He is my friend. Cheers, cheers. Cheers. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Social media friend.
Happy New Year, Bang Saya!
Happy New Year, vloggers!
Oh, Wanda, Wanda. I think that's it, man. Hey, it's another year. We just finished actually. I'm so tired. It's already rest time now. It's 1:43 in the morning. I just finished in the bar. I just helped Samir actually. I was working upstairs, but I helped Samir at the beach bar today. It's so busy downstairs, so give help so that we can finish early. If I'm not helping, so maybe he will be done maybe at 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that's what it. And another year, another day, another night. Happy New Year for everybody. And so I see you again next time. And thanks for watching for my YouTube channel. And Happy New Year for everybody. And have a good night. And again, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and my IG, and then my Facebook page. Thank you so much. Have a good night, everybody. I'm going home now.